Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get operating system that requires no installation and works on any computer or smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I'm using a Windows computer, so if you're using a Mac, Linux, or if you're using a iOS or Android smartphones also, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, what you need to do is just open any web browser on your respective devices, and in the Google search for one application name as Pewter. On the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now it will directly launch you a desktop screen of the Pewter operating system. So this is our free online operating system. So in order to use it in the full screen, just click on this enter full screen icon. Now you can use it completely as our operating system, and below you can see here a taskbar, and here you can see here start option, which looks similar like the Windows computers. So here tons of useful applications they are already available, and there is a file manager or explorer you can see here, where you can see all your documents, pictures, videos, everything here. And there are tons more applications here like Notepad, where you can type your notes, everything here. And even you can create your own account by clicking on this profile icon, or you can click on logout to log out from here. On the left side you can see your Pewter icon. Now here you will see about the application uses, storage uses, accounts. You can change the username, you can delete the account. Next option is the security, personalization. You can personalize the UI colors, you can change the background colors also depending upon your needs. You can apply your own custom wallpapers also. Next one is the language, and the last one is the clock. You can make it auto, hide, or show the clocks also. On the right above you can see your QR code also. You can directly scan this QR code and log into this session from other devices directly on your respective account. So say I want to open some PDF files here, right? So just open this PDF application. Now in order to open a file that is a PDF file saved on your internal storage, just click on this open file. Now locate to the folder where you have saved. So in my case it's in the desktop. Just select it, click on open. Now it will open directly with this PDF viewer. So similarly you can do the same thing with the other applications. So if you want to create your own account, then just click on this profile icon, click on logout, click on logout. Now you can click on this create pre icon. You can add your username, email, and password and create your pre account. If you want to create your own custom account, then you can create it. So using this Pewter operating system, you can easily get operating system that requires no installation and works on any computer or smartphone very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.